earlier, I had bought a bag of what looked like limes, oranges. I have no idea. It's mystery fruit. So I'm about to cut it and see what it is. Which way I want to cut it? Let's cut it this way.
Well, that is an orange.
That is not an orange. It's not an orange. I have no idea what this is.
Bitter?
It's bitter, but it's not. Hold on.
Yeah, bite it. Arr.
Woo! Woo! It's a cross between a lime and a lemon.
So what we'll do is we'll let it sit. We'll let them sit for a couple days. See if they change color on us. Try it again.
So you remember?
It smells great.
You know what Myers lemons are?
Yeah, the Meyer lemons, yeah.
Remember I used to eat them?
Yeah, that's what it tastes like?
Yeah. So you want to taste one?
Yeah.
In the States, they have Myers lemons. They may have some here. I haven't seen any. But instead of making lemonade with them, I used to eat them. And he couldn't understand. He was like, "Oh my God, it's so bitter," but it wasn't. It was good to me. What's going on? Is it tart?
Woo! It's tart, but it's actually pretty good.
What do you think it tastes like?
That's crazy because I don't know. It's like a really, I don't want to say it's like a lemon. It's like a really tart orange.
I don't think it's tart enough for lemonade. I don't think it's tart enough for lemonade. Sorry, this is really good. All right, almost like an orange.
Well, now we know. Hey, so this is the follow-up. The other day we made the video about these strange fruit that we bought. We weren't sure if they were lemons, oranges, limes, what they were. And LaShawn cut one open and they were orange inside, but they're really tart. They're not tart like oranges, they're tart like lemons. And let them ripen for a few days. We've eaten a few. I think you made a little juice out of a few of them. They're still really tart. I'm gonna cut this one open to show you. So as you can see, it went from orange on the inside to yellow when it ripened on the outside, which makes me think it's a lemon. But I have no idea. Does anyone know what these things are? These lemons, or are they some kind of an orange? Because if I cut a green one, I don't want to cut the green ones. But if I did, like, they're orange inside, which is kind of crazy. I don't know what to think, but doesn't smell like a lemon, and the peel is really thin, unlike a lemon. So yeah, if anybody knows, you know, if we had a big enough area, I'd plant these seeds and see what grows. But yeah, if anybody knows, let us know.
Hey, we never know. That may be what the lemon's supposed to look like, and we've been eating some genetically modified
Who knows?
specimen.
But anyway.
Thank you.